Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Divya Sharma. Welcome to the bridge course of Basic Mathematics. So till now we have covered linear equations and quadratic equations. Now we are going to solve the system of linear equations. So let us discuss what is it and how to proceed. Let me share my screen, just give me a minute. So substitution method to solve system of linear equations. So till now, we have just discussed the method of solving linear equation. Now we are going to have simultaneous linear equations. That means more than one linear equation will be given to us. And we need to find the value of the variables which is simultaneously satisfying all those equations. So that is system of linear equations. So for that, we have certain methods. And in today's session, we are going to discuss about this substitution method. So at the end of this session, you will be able to understand the concept of system of linear equations and the substitution method. So what we are going to do is, let us first understand what is a substitution method. So two equations will be given to me. Let us say two equations are given. So let me take I'm taking the general equation, some a1x plus b1y equals to C1 and A2x plus B2y equals to C2. So as the name suggests, substitution. So what we are going to do is from one of the equation, I'm going to substitute the value of one variable in terms of the other variable. Then you will substitute that value in the second equation and the whole equation will be converted into now single variable. So you can easily find the value of that variable, right? And from the previous equation, you can substitute the second variable and you can have the value of the first variable. So this is substitution method. Let us understand it by using a numerical. So let us do one simple question. So solve 2x plus 3y equals to 6 and minus 2x plus 5y equals to 10. Now two equations are given to us. So let me write it here. 2x plus 3y equals to 6. So what you can do here, I can keep 2x here and shift y this side because I am going to find the value of x in terms of y. So I got x equals to 6 minus 3y over 2. Let me take this as my first equation. Now the other equation given to me is minus 2x plus 5y equals to 10. This is the second equation that is given to us. So you are going to substitute the value of x from equation 1 into equation 2. So we have minus 2 times 6 minus 3y over 2 plus 5y equals to 10. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Let us open this bracket. So it is minus 6 plus 3y plus 5y equals to 10. So we get here 8y equals to 16 and y equals to 2. So I got the value of y. Now from equation 1, can I get the value of x? So it is x equals to 6 minus 3 into 2 is 6 over 2. So 6 minus 6 is 0 over 2, which is equals to 0. So these are the values. X is 0 and y equals to 2. So these values of x and y will simultaneously satisfy both the given equations. So this is the concept. Let us quickly proceed to the next question. Next, you have 2x plus 7y equals to 10 and 3x plus y equals to 6. So let us again use the same method. So the first equation is 2x plus 7y equals to 10. Either we can have the value of y in terms of x or you can have x in terms of y. That depends upon you, whatever you want to find. So let me write 2x equals to 10 minus 7y. So I will have here 10 minus 7y over 2. Now, let us take this as equation number 1. The second equation says 3x plus y equals to 6. So just write 3 times of, substitute this value, 10 minus 7y over 2 plus y equals to 6. Let us open this bracket. So I will have 30 minus 21y over 2 plus y equals to 6. This can be written as 30 minus 21y plus 2y by taking the LCM 2 equals to 6. You cannot directly cross multiply it until and unless you have a same denominator on one side. So for that, I had taken LCM. So now you have 30 minus 19y. This is equals to 6 into 2, which is 12. So we get here minus 19y equals to 12 minus 30, which is minus 18. So y equals to 18 over 19. Now substitute this value of y in equation number 1 so that we can have the value of x. So this is 10 minus 7 times 18 over 19 upon 2. This will give me 10 minus 18 into 7. So that is 126 and over 19 whole upon 2. This is equals to, let me take LCM, 190 minus 126 over 19, and this 19 will be multiplied by 2, so you get 38. So this is 64 over 38. In the simplest form, you can write it as 32 over 19. So this is the value. So this is x 32 over 19 and y is 18 over 19. So this is about substitution method. Let us quickly do one more question. So you have 2x minus 8y equals to 10 and 3x plus 8y equals to 15. One more thing you can do here, because I have 8y here and 8y here also. So I can directly substitute the value of 8y instead of just having y. In the first question also the coefficients were same, but I wanted you to just have an idea of how to do it if you don't have the same coefficients. So therefore we substituted only x. Now you can do is 2x minus 8y is 10. So I can have the value of 8y. This minus 8y can be 10 minus 2x. So I can have 8y equals to minus 10 plus 2x, which can be written as 2x minus 10. So instead of having y equals to 2x minus 10 over 8, I can directly have 8y, and this value will be substituted in the second equation if in any case the coefficients are same, like here we have. So let me take this as the first equation. The second equation is 3x plus 8y is 15. So substitute this value of 8y. So I will have 3x plus 2x minus 10 equals to 15. So this is 5x equals to 15 plus 10 will give you 25. I get x equals to 5. Now, if x is 5, I can have from the first equation the value of y. So this is 2 into 5. So 10 minus 10, which is 0. So y is 0. So x is 5 and y is 0. So this is the concept of substitution method. So in this session, you have learned about system of linear equations and substitution method. I hope this concept is clear. So I hope this concept is clear to you. So you know now how to solve a linear equation, and you know substitution method when you have more than one linear equation. In the next session, we are going to discuss another method of solving a system of linear equation. Thank you so much.